sa kay Francis M, that's who I was. Like I'm not, everyone. He was my friend because I was not that I'm not a fan. I was a fan. I understood, but I didn't. Parang hindi, parang ano ko lang to. Kaibigan. Francis ang tawag ko nga sa kanya, di ba? Francis Kicks.
Mm.
Ganyan, I think, that gave me that that gateway to his parang for him to be himself in front of me, for him to like being around me, for him to pick me up when he's bored, for him to go to places that he wouldn't take normal, regular people, I guess. Parang, alam mo yun, parang nagkatiwala siya na hindi mo siya ginawang Siguro, when people get patronized, I feel like, when people patronize and
You were somebody that he can talk to.
yeah, kasi
Open up.
parang unang ko pa lang sa kanya, Francis ang tawag ko, ganyan.